Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance. So that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys, Gemini. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. Knight of Pentacles, Emperor, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Gemini, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is a really helpful, friendly person. You are there when anyone needs you. So with the people around you in your work situation, you are a good friend and you are a very a friendly person who communicates well, who works well with people. So people simply love to be around you. Everyone likes you, and you are you are really a well-known person in your circle, maybe with your friends or in your family. People see you as a friendly natured person, a good person to be with. And maybe you are someone who is who has your own way of doing things, and you have your own rules and ideals, and you stick to that, and that may be the reason you are doing things in the right way, and you have a lot of experience. Maybe you are in an important position in life, maybe you are a team leader or manager, someone with an important job, and people come to you for guidance and support. And you are a protecting and a caring person who has a strong willpower and determination, firm beliefs and ideals for yourself. That is what makes you stand out of the crowd, and people are simply inspired to see you, guys. And you are a really famous person, Gemini, maybe with friends and family. People simply think of you all the time. They love to be with you, and they see you as their greatest inspiration, giving them confidence and determination to be like you. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Strength in reverse. So with this person you love, there may be some difficult situation, guys. Maybe they may have some addictions and you are helping them. They are struggling with some addictions, guys, or some sickness maybe. So it may be your energy or their energy, the sickness or addiction, whatever it is. And this person you love, they are helping you come out of this difficulty you are seeing today, Gemini. So for your career situation, Gemini, it is Four of Pentacles. So maybe for some of you, you are holding on to certain ideals and beliefs that you have. So it may be too much, maybe something like possessive nature. You don't want to listen to anyone, or you think that you will be right all the time, you will be right every time. So if there is some circumstance you need to make some decisions. So it may be in your career situation, guys, or it may be even in your life. So if you are making some decisions, important decisions, you need to think from everyone's point of view and then make that choice. Only then it will be right. So if you think that you are the only one who is right each and every time, it is going to take you into some difficult circumstances, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.